And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. Hi guys, welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, y'all. Try your best all the time.
Make a new friend.
Hey Sea Lions, remember, kindness matters.
Hey, Sea Lions, make a new friend.
Let's make it a great year.
This is Sea Lion leader Alexi Dropkin with this week's announcements. Congratulations, Sea Lions. You just finished your first week at school. Let's make it a great year by always being responsible, aware, and honorable in our thoughts, words, and actions. Kindergarten welcome conferences begin on Monday. Make sure you sign up to meet your teacher. Dismissal for UTK in kindergarten is at 12:30 from Monday through Friday. Make plans for pickup on Thursday because all grades are dismissed at 12:30 p.m. Back to school night is on Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Grades 3 through 5th go from 5:30 to 6:15. A short presentation will be held in the auditorium from 6:20 to 6:40. Then grades 1 and 2 will go from 6:45 to 7:30. See you then. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Let's make it a great week.
It doesn't cost a single thing to make someone's day. Here are some McGaw Sea Lions who want to practice gratitude today.
I want to say thank you to Miss Monteleone because she's really nice and sweet.
I want to say thank you to Miss Francisca, Miss Anderson for being so nice and funny.
I want to say thank you to Miss Garcia because she was the nicest teacher I had yet. I want to say thank you to Miss Gardner and Miss Smith because they were such good first grade teachers to me. I want to say thank you to Miss Brendel because she was just a really nice teacher to me.
Thanks, Sea Lions, for taking a risk and showing your gratitude to the people you care about.
UTK.
Welcome back, students. I'm excited to celebrate UTK student from Miss Tochioka's class, Brooks Johnson. Brooks got a Rawbuck for being ready to learn and attentive all morning. Way to go.
Kindergarten.
Our kindergarten Rawbuck winner comes from Mrs. Sizemore's class. Put your hands together for Irie Lindsay. You see, Irie is a superstar in room 7. She's a great leader and listens and follows directions.
First grade.
We're excited for first grader from Miss Lupescu's class, Reef McCready. He was picking up trash and keeping our campus clean. Thanks so much for being aware and doing the honorable thing.
Second grade.
Let's celebrate second grader from Miss Martin's class. Put your hands together for Nolan Demore. You see, Nolan was beyond checked in during our read aloud and math wall. Way to go, Nolan.
Third grade.
Mrs. Obert's excited about third grader Clement Liu. It says here that Clement is new to McGaw and is already showing how to be responsible and aware while also making new friends. Hey Clement, thanks for introducing yourself. It's good to have you here at the School by the Sea.
Fourth grade.
We're excited to celebrate fourth grader from Miss Pinkston's class, Isaiah Sowles. It says here that Isaiah always has his hand raised and he wants to be helpful around the classroom. Thanks so much, Isaiah, for making a difference each and every day.
Fifth grade.
Miss Ham wants to celebrate fifth grader from Mrs. Wallace's class, MJ Pitts. It says here that MJ was including a friend at recess, and that's exactly how you can make this school a better place. Way to go, MJ. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.